Friends, hello, it's Friday, we made it another week in the market. Who is tired? Or maybe you're just popping some Red Bull and you're going into the night trading crypto. You're amazing. But for those of us that are taking a 2-day vacation, counting our losses, counting our wins, let's look at a stock we've been talking about here. It's Trka. So friends, I don't want to go over every little tidbit of information with this stock as we've been talking about it, but let's talk about what we're seeing here. So obviously this thing has a lot of volume, a lot of conversation around it, and still very much in investors' palms where they are trading it back and forth. It's still having very aggressive movement. So going a little bit into this chart right here, this is where we left off yesterday a little bit here. Let's go ahead and delete some of these so we can start fresh and you see what we're talking about here. Pretty much that we have still held our ground here, and this is really what I was concerned about with this stock, is that, wondering, were we going to hold this 50 mark here? And we actually did. Today even hitting a 56. So the situation as we have it right now is that we're halfway at a dollar mark right now. We're past halfway to dollar mark. We've ended Friday a lot further from where we were at the start of Monday. So we're not expecting terrible news next week. But the question is, are we going to see this sell-off right here, which is not a huge sell-off, let's be honest here. We're going to see this spike into a 60-cent range. We definitely have the volume still that's happening. So yesterday we had almost 270 million. Today, kind of right around that. Not as much, but numbers are still coming in here, but a little less today, obviously. And even after hours here, we're still seeing some trading here with, platforms still allowing trades to take place after hours. For the most part, this, everything's wrapping up here, buying and selling, and ending the week here at a 52 cent mark. With a lot of these penny stocks as of lately that we've seen have big push up and that we've been talking about, this one has definitely traveled different. It's been a slower progression. I would even say a longer and healthy progression. Even looking at a monthly chart here, when we even go back to the 21st of February, it was still walking up at that point. I mean, honestly, since the end of January, we've had steady buildup with this stock, and as of lately, it's really been trying to do something. So I am curious if Monday, are we going to continue to see a buy and sell here, a healthy buy and sell here, to where we're building volume and we're building more stairs here to get up to the 60, 70, 80, possibly dollar. I mean, this is how it happens. It just builds and builds and builds. Today, the Dow, the S&P, the Nasdaq, everything was up. It was a good day in the market overall. So friends, as we continue to see investors build upon this stock with short selling, with shorting it and beating expectations, it's building the stock. We're just literally seeing these bricks and these valleys being built right now. So I'm really curious, and I'm really following the breadcrumbs here to see, we might continue to see this going next week. This may not be over. But I will say this, if you don't have money to play, be very careful. So friends, I just want to congratulate everyone that's had a really good week in this. I love when people win. I love when investors win. I love when they beat the market. And this is the fun of investing. Long-term investing, short selling investing. This is just really fun for a lot of people that are doing well in this. Because I know a lot of you you were buying at 12 cents, you were buying in at 15, 20, and you're doing really good right now. And I'm just really happy for you. So friends, let me know what you think here. Are we going to keep running? Are we going to see that 70 next week? Are we going to see that dollar? Who knows? Might be a little bullish right here. Friends, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.